Thinking of incorporating Google Cloud Storage in your data architecture? Whether you're looking to migrate your legacy system or backing up your data to the cloud, Astera Centerprise can fast-track your Google Cloud Storage integrations. Our native connector allows you to plug Google Cloud Storage into your data pipelines either as a source or destination, so you can read data from or write data to the platform with ease. So how does it work? Just drag and drop the connector into your data pipeline. Select Google Cloud Storage from the drop-down menu and then choose your preferred authentication method. Once connected, you can build automated data pipelines and ETL your data to the cloud with ease. Combine your Google Cloud data with other cloud and on-premises sources to create a unified view of your information assets. Transform and validate your Google Cloud data and load it to popular data warehouses and databases within minutes. Download Astera Centerprise today to experience seamless connectivity to Google Cloud Storage.